Man that went to India and found this mathematical equation. When he came back to Europe, they called it the Fibonacci sequence. Phi is related to the Fibonacci sequence. If you follow the Fibonacci sequence, start with 0, which is nothing on the page, 0. When we draw one square, doesn't matter how big it is, could be bigger, smaller. So that's 1, because we've created something on the page. So if we follow the Fibonacci sequence, the next number in the sequence is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and 144. Keeps going. So if we go back to this, the next number is 1, so use equivalent size. So we can put it either side, by this side. Next number is 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we can draw a square that side or this side. Go here. That's 2. Now you've got 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, so you can draw another square on this side. This will determine which way the spiral will go. If you draw it this side, then it'll go this way. If you draw it this side, it goes this way. We'll draw it this side. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Next number is 5. 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. Next number is 8. 5 plus 1 plus 2 equals 8. Next number is 13. 8 plus 2 plus 3 is 13. Next number is 21. 13 plus 3 plus 5 is 21. So if we were to get this measurement here, which we say 1, and get this measurement here, if we were to get that measurement, times it by 5, 1.618 would actually give you that measurement across there. If you got this line and you brought that line up to here, then you would have something like this. So that would be there, that would be to there, that would be to there. So if you were to bend these two around to produce a circle, so these two matched up, and wherever that came to would be 137.5 degrees. When a plant grows from a seed, it follows the Fibonacci sequence. So you got the seed, got the ground, then it goes, follows this sequence again because it's 0, nothing, without the rain and the earth, and it grows 1, then it goes 1, and it goes 2, and it goes 3, and it goes 5, and it goes 8, then it goes 13. And continues. If you were to follow that all the way, it would keep going and get more complex and would turn out to be what is in your lungs. When we're created, you have the egg and the sperm. The egg is nothing by itself. Sperm is nothing by itself. They're nothing. So when the sperm enters into the egg, you get 1. Then it follows the Fibonacci sequence again, because that cell divides into another cell, and these 2 cells divide into 2. The next number is 3, so we go then 5, and then 8, and keep going all the way around. Then 13, and it would keep going around. After the sperm enters the egg and it becomes 1 and it divides into 2, you have this thing in the middle called the vesica Pisces. The Christian symbol is like that, which is this in the middle. So that's the middle path. This is called a fire gauge. So you can see this is 1.618. This is 1 in between here, 1.618. So if I was to get this is a pretty rough drawing, but if I was to get this and put it on there, and then bring it around to here. So this is quite an accurate little tool for checking fire. So a demonstration is you look at that between my finger is 1, and then the measurement between my finger and my wrist is 1.618. Back to this, if we go from corner, along the same way we went with the squares, we went from corner to 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 the corner and to that corner, and of course we keep going. If we draw a slight little arc as we do it, we get a spiral. That is a perfect implosion, and that is a perfect explosion, which we should be working with implosions, because an implosion can be self-sustained. Like when someone blows a smoke ring, that could be seen as a self-sustaining implosion. This is an example of fire, but without using the fire gauge. This is an example of nature and the spiral, the Fibonacci spiral. This is the Fibonacci spiral that creates your ear.